Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix HP Thunderbolt dock not detecting monitor, display connection and troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Perform a complete hardware reset. The step 1. Disconnect all external devices such as monitor, USB driver, keyboard and mic from the dock. Then disconnect the dock from your laptop. Then unplug the dock AC power adapter from the wall outlet or power strip. Now press and hold the dock power button for about 30 seconds to discharge any remaining power and clear temporary hardware glitches. Now shut down your laptop completely once powered off and press and hold the laptop power button for 15 seconds to drain residual power from the system. Now reconnect the dock power adapter and connect to the dock to the laptop and power everything back on and check whether the monitors are now detected. Fix 2. Update driver and firmware. So the step 1, you can identify your HP Thunderbolt dock model number. Then visit the HP support website and download the latest firmware available for your dock model. Now install the firmware update and follow any on-screen instruction. Now open HP support assistant on your laptop and check for available update. Now in step 5, you can install the latest graphics driver, the Thunderbolt driver, BIOS update and system update. Now restart your computer and test the monitor connection again. Fix 3. Check physical connection and cable. So verify that you are using the original HP Thunderbolt cable or a certified Thunderbolt cable capable of carrying video signal. Now disconnect and reconnect the cable between the laptop and dock to ensure a secure connection. Then confirm that the dock is connected to a Thunderbolt or full-featured USB-C port on the laptop. Now on step 4, you can inspect all monitor cable from damage, loose connection and bent pins. And try a different display port, HDMI or USB-C output on the dock if available. Now in step 6, you can test with another monitor cable to rule out a fault cable. Fix 4. Adjust Windows display setting. So the step 1, you can right click on an empty area of the desktop and select display setting. Now scroll down to the multiple display section and then click the detect button to force Windows to search for connected monitor. If the monitor appears, select it and choose extend this display from the display option and click apply and verify that the monitor starts displaying correctly. The fix 5, check Thunderbolt's security in BIOS. So restart the laptop and repeat the press F10 while it starts up to enter BIOS setup. Then step 2, navigate to the advanced security or port menu and depending on your HP models, you can locate the Thunderbolt configuration or Thunderbolt security setting. Then change the Thunderbolt security level to no security or user authorization if required. Now enable PCIe tunneling if the option is available and save the changes and exit the BIOS. Now allow Windows to boot normally and reconnect the dock to check if the monitor are detected. Goodbye.